Hello guys, so just stopped at this little quaint pub in Snailton, which I didn't know was a place. So yeah, let's talk about let's talk about this Breakout. It's an absolute monster, to say the least. It's powerful, it's fun. That big wheel is just awesome for corners, puts you right up. But yeah, ultimately, good bit of kit. Really fun, really powerful. You're on a straight, you know about it. You can open this thing up and get some serious speed. I definitely would recommend taking one out for a spin. Yeah, great bit of kit, great bit of fun. Absolute beauty. So much power. These are the muscle bikes. So yeah, gonna give it a good old spin.